Good day, everyone. So for today, let me share with you on how to present your Canva PowerPoint. So let's say, for example, you already have your PowerPoint here. Here, you have it. Now, you want to present it. It's either on Zoom meeting, Google Meet. So here's what are you going to do. Once you're already in your Canva PowerPoint or Canva slides, just need to click this present. And then you have the option if you want to present it in full screen or in presenter view, or you want to download it or autoplay. So let's say, for example, you want to present it in presenter view. Here's how it looks like. This is our presenter view. So here's the presenter window. According to this one, this window is just for you. Place it on the screen only you can see, such as your laptop or fallback monitor. Okay, so got it? So here, so you may now present it. So the notes here, it is only the presenter that can see the notes. Okay, so we have here the following. Then you can share it now. Or we also have other option. Let's say for example, we don't want this one. So let's close this one. And then let's say for example, we want to present the entire screen. So just click present full screen and then present. So here we have it. And this one, I think, oh, that's it on how you present the screen. Now, if you want to close this entire screen, just click escape on your laptop. So in order for you to close the presentation. So that's it for today.